Hi guys, it's Stephanie again, back with another t-shirt review. Today I'm wearing the ladies BellaCanvas crop top t-shirt. It's made of 65% polyester, 35% viscose. The viscose is the trick. That is the beauty of this shirt. It's super soft. It is a flowy crop top, so it's not form-fitting around the belly area, which is nice. If you know me, I love to wear crop tops. I'm a crop top type of girl. So I have everything from the form-fitting ones and the flowy ones, and this one is one of my favorites, if not my actual favorite. The sleeves are very short. Those are actually, they hug your arms very well. Like I mentioned, it's very soft. I'm wearing the black in size small. This style is actually available in 8 different colors. So definitely hit us up whenever you're ready for your own crop top. And please like us, comment, and subscribe. For the link and description, go ahead and find that below. Thank you.